My name is Claire Sands-Baker. I am co-founder and director of the Toothpick Project and our pilot social enterprise based in Kakamega, Kenya, called Toothpick Company Limited. We are a biological herbicide company, and our target is Striga or witchweed. It's that pretty little purple flower on the left there. That flower is a invasive parasitic weed. It attacks the roots of maize, sorghum, millet, dryland rice, sugarcane, the main staple crops across sub-Saharan Africa. On the right, you can see our solution in action. Striga is considered a $9 billion crop loss problem, and this is at the hands of smallholder farmers. It's really important to note this is a smallholder farmer problem. It's not a big ag problem. It's on 40 million smallholder farms across 50 million hectares in the continent. And most maize farmers are women, so this is a gender-based food security issue. There are some current interventions, but they are not restoring crop yield. They're not safe or effective enough. They're not targeting the seed bank in the soil. And we are really standing alone as the one product that can do all of these things. We're based on an innovation that was developed over 5 decades that blends together the use of plant pathology, plant pathogen, with amino acid excretion. So we're using Fusarium oxysporum, or Foxy for short. This is a host-specific plant pathogen that targets Striga, the weed that we're trying to get rid of. But the wild type doesn't kill enough Striga, so we selected strains of that Foxy to excrete high levels of amino acids. This makes it highly effective. It kills the Striga, not the weed, and then we have a product, an active agent that we can get out to the farmers. Originally, we did this on toothpicks. Now we're using a seed coating. Our average crop yield increase is 56%. This is in hundreds and hundreds of trials. But what we really are seeing is crop yield restoration. So if a farmer has lost 75% of her yield, she'll be able to get that back up to a healthy point. If she's lost half, same. So this is a really strong, positive way to get farmers over the barrier of Striga so they can really start working on developing their soil and biodiversity. Here's a great photo from our friends at the World Food Program. So as I said, we had our original inoculum production, which was using a toothpicks for a rice inoculum. We just got approved for this seed treatment. This is a huge advancement for us. So now it's affordable, and a farmer can simply treat the seed of their choice on farm, and it's highly effective. So we're in our first season of this development. We have a pretty streamlined business model. We distribute to village inoculum providers. Those are sometimes through NGOs, through farmers groups. We have in-house manufacturing, and we're currently working on a bundling project with one of the big seed companies that'll get it into the ag retailers, which are village-based, and then that gets it to the farmer. So it's quite streamlined. The cost to the farmer is very affordable, and if she receives even just a half a bag more yield, she'll break even. But what we're seeing is some farmers having 5 times more, 19 times more. It's highly effective. We're also providing jobs with job sales promoters where they can earn money distributing our product. So we've had some great advancements that are being recognized globally. In 2021, at the first UN Food System Summit, we won the Best Small Business Award. We were a finalist for the Milken-Motsepe inaugural Agritech Prize. We are part of the World Food Program Innovation Accelerator, and huge honor, we were one of 8 selected out of over 1,000 nominations for the Food Planet Prize, which is the largest environmental prize in the world. It's a real honor to be recognized as an environmental effort as we're replacing chemicals and allowing farmers to improve their biodiversity in a healthy, safe way. We have a great team on the ground in Kenya, but we also have a global advisory through our board and directors across 3 continents. And we have scientists in 12 other countries that are all poised to start developing the next stages of commercialization in their countries. Next steps are Uganda, Ethiopia, and Cameroon. If we get this prize, what we will do is invest in the equipment we need to scale up in Kenya, as well as in the scientists in those 3 other countries. $100,000 goes a really long way in this project. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.